Hello, what is going on everyone? I hope you are having a wonderful day. And in today's vlog, today's video, we are installing, as you can probably tell by the title, a steering wheel and a quick release hub. I just got the hub in the mail, so that's awesome. A quick release and the steering wheel already in my room. I'll show you guys that in a minute. If you're new around here, subscribe, like, leave a comment down below, and follow my Instagram. I'll leave it like here or here, wherever I put it. And join the group chat or message me. I'll invite you to the group chat for all the Mezzarino subscribers. We all talk stuff in there. We talk about our cars. We share our cars. We send other cars that we all like. So join that. All right. So the parcel that just came, I'm gonna just unwrap that real quick. All right. So now it's unwrapped. Let's see what's in there. It's just a standard boss kit. Should do the trick for now. It's just going in the drift car. And then hopefully it's not too big because there is a quick release going on that. I might not have to run the quick release. Alright, so I'm outside and I'm going to try and get my steering wheel off. I don't know if this has ever been taken off before or if someone has put an aftermarket on and then put the stock one back on. So I'll set you guys down, and if I struggle, you'll probably see me struggle, and if not, it might just slip off, and see how we go. So I literally didn't, just a slight yank and the cover came off, so that's actually surprisingly easy. Now the hard bit is this. See if I can get it off. Oh, this is on hard. Well, let's see. I assume someone either talked it down or this has never been taken off before. We'll find out when I go to pull this off. Oh, not bad. Not bad at all. I assume it's been off before. Easy. Alright, so obviously we have our steering wheel. We'll all see how strong this is and whatnot when it's installed. And then we have our Sparko quick release hub, and then we have our hub adapter that goes on there like that, or whichever way. I gotta line it up first, and then we'll see how good it all is. But remember, this is like eBay but not really eBay stuff. All right, so if it's really hard to get off, you can just use get an extension, like a pole that fits over your ratchet, or you can try like a shifter or a spanner or something and put it on and get as much leverage as you can, because sometimes they can be really, really tight. And then when you go to get the hub on, if your car has never been taken apart, like mine, it'll have this on it, which is the thing that, like, when you turn back, it turns the indicator back down. So you're gonna have to take that off, and I'll show you how. So here and here are two Phillips head screws. I probably can't show you because it's dark. You just want to put that up there and undo that. And then there's also screws there, and then there's one right about here, just down the bottom. And then you should just be able to unclip this just by a little, it feels like you're going to break it. And then you unclip this, and then it'll come off. So once you've cracked this, there'll be a screw there, a screw there, and then there and there. And you take them out, and then you should be able to pull this case off, which is holding that on. So to get this off, as I said, you take 1, 2, 3, 4 screws out after you've unclipped this, obviously, like I said, and then it'll pull out, and there's a plug behind it. You'll pretty much just not have the thing where you're turning, and then if you're indicating you turn back the other way, it turns off. You have to do it manually. So I'm going to actually try and keep mine on there, and if it doesn't work, I'll let you guys know in the comments or in the next video, but I really want to keep that functionality. So it does fit on there like that, but I don't know how well it's going to work. Remember, while you're doing all of this, make sure that your wheels are straight. So if you don't know how to get them straight, you just drive forward, backwards, forwards, backwards without touching it, and it'll should straighten up unless you're on a massive lean or a massive hill or something. So to be able to get your steering wheel straight, you can't just yeet this on and then put your adapter on and then your wheel on. It can end up anyway. you got to figure out which hole it is. They're off-centered different ways because different wheels are different ways. For mine, it's the inner circle. So what you do is you want to line that up. You can put a bolt in it as well. And then you want to get this, and there's bolt holes behind there, and you want to make sure they line up. Mine lines up like that, and the wheel is straight. Make sure it is straight because it'll do your head in. And then you get that bolt from before that you didn't chuck out, tighten it up. And if you're doing it with an impact, just a couple of duggers, you know, talk at the spec. So I've put 2 bolts in here just to hold it on. I don't want to put them all up because I don't even know. It could be wrong, could be right. So you just want to always double check that it is right and that your steering wheel is going to be centered, because I might even have the splines wrong, might have to take it all off again. So always double check and don't just bolt everything and then have to unbolt it again. So that is the quick release on, and it's very far back. I might have to only run a hub, which is annoying. But look at that. That is pretty straight if you tell me. So what I'm going to do is take that off, bolt that down, and then bolt the wheel onto this. And then what you want to do is test fit it, because maybe the wheel is too close to you, which it does actually look like it's too close to me. And the reason for having this quick release actually is because the car is sitting in my driveway and I want to be able to take the wheel off, throw it inside so no one can just straight up steal it, and it's harder for them to steal. And also when you're getting into the track, for when you get a race seat, you want to be able to take this off, put it on, and then away you go. Alright, so let's tighten everything off, put the other bolts on, make sure your hub is bolted on tight as well, put your quick release hub on, and then bolt your wheel to that. Okay, let's bolt this up. If you have something that's Chinese, make sure you have different Allen keys, because that literally just stripped the Allen key while I was bolting it on. So what I would do is, if you think that your hub and quick release is too close to you, what I would do is just put the 2 bolts in, or you can put 4 in, whatever. You don't have to do them all. You just go for a little drive around the block, see if it's too close for you. Maybe you can move your chair back and forward. And then it might be too close. Like, look at this. I think that might be a bit too close to me, because that's, my elbows are touching my stomach right now. So that is definitely way too close. I might have to invest in getting an NRG, a short hub, because this one is just a nugget, just absolute Chinese piece of dump. Cost me 20 bucks. So for now, I can run no hub. I can just run I can run no quick release and just run the hub, but I'm going to keep the steering wheel inside. But I can still go do some testing, see if it's too close or whatnot. But it's just so cool just being able to do this, like, bang, finished. Alright guys, so I do not recommend doing your hub over the indicator thing to keep this from coming on and off. I definitely recommend being able to take it off, because for now this is a bit too loose, but I was only testing and to see if this is the right size anyway. So I really want to get a different hub for my one. I'll just use this for now, it's good enough. And if it's annoying at the track, I'll just yeet this off, yeet that off, and then just straight onto the hub. So it'll probably be like look how thick that is. It'll be like 30, well that's probably more like 50 mil more away from me. So it'll be like something like that, which is a bit better. Right now it's like back here. So yeah, I definitely want it a bit further away from me. Maybe I'll have to hit up. One thing that is annoying me right now is I need to get my ECU mounted so it's not flapping around in the wind like a bloody jellyfish. But I was just admiring my dash. It is uncracked, and oh, I really want to get a mat for it so it doesn't crack, because sunlight can come into my carport right now. I did notice one little crack here, which sucks, but I suppose that happens. I'm not sure how that happened. Maybe someone hit it on the way into the car or something, or maybe it was already there and I just never noticed it. That door over there, just in the door card, is actually peeling up. I think it's just the glue has come all loose and stuff. It is a very old car, so I think I can maybe fix that. And look, we have the coilovers. I want to have an upload schedule so you guys know exactly when Mezzarino content is coming out. So I'm going to keep it to Wednesdays at about 4:30 Victorian time Australia. So whenever it's Wednesday, I'm going to try and get a video out every Wednesday for you guys, maybe 2 videos a week as well, if I have the content filmed and whatnot. Right now, as of filming, I have like 3, so that's awesome. So hopefully next video, we slam the car, put my Kansai wheels back on, and it'll look mint. And I do have a livery coming on the way. Alright guys, I know this video is probably really short, I don't know if it actually is, but I hope that it helped you and you could install your hub and quick release really easy. If you have any questions, please let me know. And if you weren't here to learn how to do it and you were just watching it because you're a subscriber, thank you so much for watching. And if you're new, please click subscribe and stick around because I am building this car to be a drift car. We have 185 kilowatts to play with, some brand new awesome looking wheels, some suspension going in, and many more vlogs to come. And I'm probably ordering a new exhaust system for my Hilux so we can get some fat going. Alright guys, peace.